Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about a quality that is often overlooked, yet is the cornerstone of success in any endeavor: self-discipline. It's the silent force behind every achievement, the backbone of every great individual, and the key to unlocking our fullest potential. Jim Rohn, a renowned motivational speaker, once said, "Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment." This simple statement encapsulates the essence of why self-discipline is so crucial. Without it, our goals remain mere dreams, floating in the realm of what could have been. But what is self-discipline? At its core, it's the ability to control oneself, to resist short-term temptations in order to meet long-term goals. It's choosing the path of hard work and persistence over the allure of instant gratification. It's the commitment to our future selves over our present desire. Stephen R. Covey, in his groundbreaking book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, talks about beginning with the end in mind. This means having a clear understanding of what you want to achieve and then working backward to determine how to get there. But knowing your destination is only half the battle. The journey to reach that destination requires the daily practice of self-discipline. Consider the stories of successful entrepreneurs, athletes, artists, and leaders. Behind their achievements lie countless hours of practice, sacrifice, and dedication. They faced setbacks, failures, and temptations along the way. Yet they persevered, not because they had more talent or luck than others, but because they had the discipline to stay the course. In the world of business, self-discipline translates to consistency and reliability. In Good to Great, author Jim Collins emphasizes the importance of disciplined people, disciplined thought, and disciplined action. The companies that transitioned from being good to great had a culture of discipline. They set clear standards and held themselves accountable to those standards day in and day out. But cultivating self-discipline isn't just about achieving external success. It's also about personal growth and well-being. When we exercise discipline in our daily habits, be it in our diet, exercise, sleep, or learning, we build a foundation for a healthier, happier life. So, how can we cultivate this invaluable trait? Step 1. We can set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve, whether it's a personal or professional goal. Having clarity gives purpose to your actions. Step 2. We can prioritize. Not all tasks are of equal importance. Determine what's essential and focus your energy there. As Brian Tracy aptly puts it in Eat That Frog, tackle your biggest, most important task first. Step 3. We can establish routines. Habits are the building blocks of discipline. By creating daily routines, you automate the process of decision-making, reducing the chances of succumbing to temptations. Step 4. We can stay accountable. Share your goals with someone you trust. Having someone to answer to can be a powerful motivator. Step 5. We can practice delayed gratification. This is the essence of self-discipline. The ability to wait for a more significant reward rather than opting for an immediate lesser one. The famous marshmallow test by Walter Mischel demonstrated that children who could delay gratification were more likely to succeed in the long run. Step 6. We can embrace failure. Every setback is a lesson. Instead of being disheartened by failures, use them as stepping stones. Remember the words of motivational speaker Les Brown: failure isn't a verdict, it's an opportunity. In conclusion, self-discipline is not a trait reserved for the chosen few. It's a skill, and like any skill, it can be developed with practice and persistence. In the words of Vince Lombardi, the price of success is hard work, dedication to the job at hand, and the determination that whether we win or lose, we have applied the best of ourselves to the task at hand. Let's commit to cultivating self-discipline, not just as a means to achieve our goals, but as a way to lead a more fulfilled and meaningful life.